Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are checking out this TENS massager kit, so let's get started. So guys, because TENS massagers can be dangerous if you ignore the directions, I'm not going to show you guys actually using it because I want you guys to actually read the whole manual and then use it, because TENS massagers are one of the best things for sciatic nerve, back pain, muscle pain, stiffness, soreness, and so many other ailments. But you have to read the manual so you know what you're doing. So this one is nice. You got a nice HD screen here. Nice controls, different channels for your TENS massager pads. You can just easily select different ones. So you got neck, shoulder, back, elbow, hip, ankle, knee, leg, arm, wrist, and then you have all these different types of basically movements, and like you got tap, cupping, scraping, random, and that's just different sensation, I guess I should say. So you can press the power and hold it to turn on and off. You can lock it. You have all your different modes there. Let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the package. All right, now that we have everything blown out here, you can see you got your TENS massager wire cables. So this is very simple. This plug gets plugged in to the top here, and you can pick which one you want because you can select different channels. Those are called the channels 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can select based off of what you pick. These pins go plugged right into your pads, so they go in there. Now you have these different pads, and what you do is you peel this back and then you stick it on the part of your body that's sore, and then you have 4 pads here. You have these smaller pads in there as well. You do get a Type-C charger for your actual device that just plugs in here into a USB for charging. Here's the quick start guide. Please read the entire thing so you know what you're doing, and this is the kit that you get.